We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 8.5 by 25 foot Deckover trailer
with King Kong ramps.
This does have the IBeam build. Your bumper pole is going to have an adjustable coupler, your jack, safety chains, have your breakaway system as well. This does have your spare tire mount. The floor is pressure treated wood. Has your stake pockets along the side of the trailer. This is a Deckover. Here we have the two Greaseable 7,000 pound axles. They do have 16-inch wheels and tires. This does have 20 foot of usable deck area, and then 5 feet of the self-cleaning dovetail.
We do have the 5 feet of King Kong ramps.
Hold up to 10,000 pounds. This is fully wired with LED drive lights. Once again, this is the 8.5 by 25 foot Deckover trailer
with King Kong ramps.
If you're interested in this trailer or any of the trailers you've seen, give us a call at 615-641-7720.